Hello guys, I am Filipina Akad Seminar Speaker Britney Ashen Amin Dato Imam, and I'm now making my speech making again for seminar. Sometimes, no, kapag tayo ay pag tayo ay naging center of attention, sometimes pa nga center of attraction pa nga no. Pag tayo ay naging center of attention dahil sa too much positive personality natin, too warm tayo, no, too energetic tayo, too smiley tayo sa mga people inside our social circumstance. Possible pa rin na may ma-insecure sa'yo. So, ingat-ingat pa rin. Maglingoy-lingoy pa rin yun. Maglingoy-lingoy pa rin sa paligid. Kasi, hindi maiwasan yung mga insecure persons Sometimes, merong tao na may positive personality, pero kapag ikaw ay may too much positive personality, no, it can turn the positivity in your circumstance can turn into too much negativity anymore. Hindi na yung dadaan sa mild negativity, sa enough negativity which is moderate negativity, kundi severe negativity na too much negativity naman ang kakadaanan nan. So, ingat pa rin tayo sa paligid natin. Pero that's nice na meron kang too much positive personality sa circumstance mo, na ikaw yung nagiging first person to have continuous conversation in a group, no? That's nice. Pag ikaw naman napapublic shame, kasi at your own mistake, no? Pag ikaw ay napapublic shamed at your own mistake, sometimes, i-accept na lang natin yung reality na napahiya tayo in front of our community, no? I-accept na lang natin yan kasi there is this motto that is, sometimes the first person in a community to have the act of mistake can be the first person of center of attention to, of being publicly wanted, not just privately wanted. Ikaw yung magiging center of attention din in the end. So, siguro konting transform lang sa personality na lang din natin. Tayo na lang din mag-adjust para hindi maging center of attention in bad way. Ano nga ba itong ko? Okay. Kapag ikaw nabigla ka kasi, bigla na lang naging too cold or cold yung life partner mo or yung friend mo sa'yo, hindi mo yung nakasanayan. Siguro, there are specific times, I think so, that you did not interact with that person in the way that you expect to have in that conversation, no? Hindi napapansin mo na hindi na siya nag-aano ng warm compliment sa'yo unlike before. Baka kasi may mga times na rin na hindi ka nag-initiate ng warm complimenting messages sa kanya. So, kaya siguro yun lang yung reason. Siguro shallow reason, maybe it can be shallow reason only. Hindi ka pwede mag-expect na magsabi na ba ako na mag-cool off na kami para makaganti ako. Hindi naman. Siguro, you don't have to say sorry as well anymore. You just have to let her or him feel that you are accepting the misunderstanding that you had yourself, that you made yourself for a sin, no? Yeah. And if you admitted it yourself, if you have let him or her feel that you have admitted it yourself, it can be in the better conversation anymore, continuously, and so on.